Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, IRIGA, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube.
Good afternoon, 𝑵𝒂𝒃. We are now down to our second game this Saturday. It is IRIGA versus Ateneo Golden Knights. Sa isang magandang bakbakan po muling ating matutunghayan ngayong hapon na ito. Of course, nakakasama niyo po ang inyong mga commentators for this game. I am Cristina Canzo-Reyes and with me is Rica Puerta.
Yan talagang napakaganda nga ng nangyari on our first match. Again, NCF versus Suyan Bao, kung saan nakuha dito ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang pang-apat na panalo. And sadly, on the side of Suyan Bao for getting their third loss sa ating liga. And of course, let's move forward dito sa ating pangalawang match, IRIGA versus the Ateneo Volleyball Team. So, IRIGA looking good para dito sa ating liga. Getting the first spot on our standing, talagang pinapakitaan tayo nitong IRIGA na sila yung talagang magdodominate dito sa ating liga with that 4-0 standing. What an impressive match and games na nagawa dito ng IRIGA. On the other side of things, we have the Ateneo Volleyball Team na nagsisik ng another win dito sa ating liga. So a little bit of pressure on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team because we know na ang katapat nila is the #1 top seeding team sa ating liga. So let's see kung anong gagawin ditong adjustment on the side of Ateneo for them to snatch a win para dito sa araw na ito at para ma-break na yung record na hawak dito ng IRIGA, or will the IRIGA aariba pa rin sa pang-5 panalo dito sa araw na ito. Yan ang aabangan natin at nakalive po tayo sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, at sa ating YouTube channel, we have the GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. And of course, sa mga makaka-visit po sa ating venue, nasa NCF covered court po tayo para matunghayan ang bakbakan dito sa Season 1 ng Oragon Volleyball League. So, let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo this afternoon.
Yes, dahil nga napakaganda nung naging performance ng IRIGA during their fight against NCF Tigers last week. Diba? Dahil ito yung dalawang kupunan na malalakas dito sa ating OVL, pero nakuha pa rin ng IRIGA yung kanilang panalo. At ngayon naman po sa side ng Ateneo Volleyball Team, 1-3 po sa kanilang standing. And even though meron na silang 3 talo, napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita po ng Ateneo Volleyball League. Sabi nga nila dito, nag-a-adjust sila every game at nakikita natin yung improvement ng Ateneo Volleyball Team. Kaya titinan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba yung preparation na inihanda ng Ateneo against IRIGA.
Yes, you've mentioned earlier na itong Ateneo team talagang nag-a-adjust every match and every game. And I'm sure for all the teams na kalahok dito sa ating liga, nagkakaroon sila ng reset whenever mayroon silang matches because again, iba-iba po dito yung game plan ng iba't ibang teams and all of the teams now in this league is very impressive from the first time they are playing up until now. Talagang kitang-kita na Oragon ang mga atleta ng Bicolano. So, I'm looking forward for a great match-up this second game dito sa ating liga. And thank you so much po sa mga ating viewers inside this NCF covered court and sa ating live stream. And of course, to our dearest sponsor, thank you so much po. Without you, hindi po mangyayari itong ating liga. So thank you so much po sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa ating liga.
Now, on our screen, the IRIGA, na ngayon nga, dahil nga nanalo sila against NCF Tigers, napakalaking panalo yon para dito sa IRIGA. And right now, dala-dala pa rin nila yung magiging momentum nila dito sa laban nila against Ateneo Volleyball Team. Kaya titinan natin kung sino nga ba yung mag-step up dito sa kupunan ng Ateneo or ng IRIGA. Dahil nga, nakita natin dito yung performance ni Mape, ni the rest of the players of IRIGA. Kaya naman talagang nakaka-enjoy yung mapapanood natin ngayong hapon na ito. So tututukan po natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin dito ni Coach Arnel na preparation para sa kanyang kupunan. Meron ba silang adjustment na nagawa dito? Of course, dahil nga every game, hindi naman natin masasabi dito na NCF lang yung magaling, yung Sorsogon lang yung magaling, kasi Ateneo Volleyball Team merong ibubuga. Ngayon, titignan natin kung sino nga ba yung kasama ng ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, ano update sa side ng Arriba IRIGA?
We're down to the second game for this day. This time, it's Arriba IRIGA versus Ateneo Golden Knights. And once again, I'm here to side of Arriba IRIGA, reporting exclusively. And ngayon, meron ulit tayong makakasamang Arriba with Arriba IRIGA from IRIGA City Mayor's Office, Mary Dean Monghe. Hello po, good afternoon Ma'am Mary Dean. Kumusta po kayo ngayong araw?
I'm okay. Actually, it's my first time to be here, and I'm glad and proud to support the Arriba IRIGA Volleyball Club.
Ayan, last week nakasama po namin from DRM office, Miss Jasmine Botor. Ngayon po, this time, ikaw naman from Mayor's Office, Ma'am Mary Dean Monghe. Pwede po ba naming malaman kung anong rason ng pagbisita nyo dito sa amin sa OVL?
The reason why I am here today as a proud Irigana and a proud athlete that is really supporting different kind of sport, we want to create a space wherein their dreams really matter and wherein they are seen and heard. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, meron po ba kayong inaabangan sa laro ng Arriba IRIGA ngayong araw?
What I am looking forward is just to stay focused on their play, because we all know that both of the teams are all magagaling, and just stay focused and alam mo yun, stay positive.
And Ma'am Mary Dean, baka po meron kayong message sa ating mga players pang boost lang ng energy nila, please.
So my message to the Arriba IRIGA Volleyball Club is to always put God first, because with God, nothing is impossible. And always keep moving forward no matter what happened, because we all know that we are all winners.
Maraming salamat po once again, Miss Mary Dean Monghe from Arriba IRIGA Mayor's Office. Muli mga kasama, sama-sama po tayong umariba kasama ng Arriba IRIGA. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, beautiful Eliza, and to our guest here. Talagang pinakataan tayo ng Arriba Spirit.
Yes.
Para dito sa side ng Arriba IRIGA. So, those two, Eliza and
Mary.
yes, together with Ma'am Mary, talagang napakaganda on-screen and off-screen. Those two girls binuksan itong ating liga with a beautiful mindset and aura. So, I hope na madadala ito ng dalawang team up until the end of this game. So, thank you so much on that interview sa side ng Arriba IRIGA. And of course, I know Arriba IRIGA is ready now. They are prepared. They want this 5th win on their side. So, aabangan natin dito ang kanilang performance. And on the other side of things, we have the Ateneo Volleyball Team. What are the adjustment? What are the game plans para kaharapin itong malakas na Arriba IRIGA? To know more about Ateneo, let's call our courtside reporter, Dylan. Hi Dylan, kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Diyos maray na aldaw. This is Dylan Talagtag reporting on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Today's matchup, we will witness the Golden Knights to arise with their confidence and skills. With the standing of 1-3, they'll make sure that they will impress us with their spikes and blocks. According to the team captain na si Ray Belhica, the team are still adjusting since halos lahat sa kanila ay freshies. She also pointed that in every game, the Golden Knights get its progress. The team are positive that they will continue learning and make a remarkable progress for this season. For more updates and intense action, stay tuned only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Ayan nga, progress para dito sa side ng Ateneo Volleyball Team. Every game at every team na nakakalaban at nakakaharap nila dito sa Oragon Volleyball League, ang dami nilang natututunan. And kahit isa sila sa mga pinakabatang team dito sa ating OVL, talagang napakaganda ng performance pong pinapakita dito ng Ateneo Volleyball Team. At talagang inaasahan pa natin doon sa mga susunod pa nilang laban, doon sa mga hindi pa nila nakakalaban, magandang performance pa rin po ang ihahatid sa atin ng Ateneo Volleyball Team. And in just a few minutes, magsimula na po ang ating set number 1 of ARIBA IRIGA and Ateneo Volleyball Team matchup. Kaya titira natin kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang ating set number 1. Sino ang makakakuha ng unang momentum para sa laban na ito?
Ayan, I've mentioned earlier na naka-live po tayo sa ating Gen TV48 Naga. So, comment down below kung sino ang aarangkada dito sa matchup. Will it be the ARIBA IRIGA or the Ateneo Volleyball Team? Comment down below and magsha-shoutout po kami maya-maya. Thank you so much for your support and happy watching.
Yes. Of course, dito sa side ng ARIBA IRIGA, we have Salopaso, Mape, and the rest of the players here na napakaganda ng performance na lagi nilang ibinibigay dito. Lagi natin sinasabi yung communication and then yung connection ng mga players ng ARIBA IRIGA. Yun lagi yung nakikita natin tuwing nagkakaroon sila ng laban dito sa OVL. And continuous lang yung ganitong performance ng ARIBA IRIGA. Kaya talagang napakalaking advantage sa kanilang kupunan dito. Well, on the other side, itong Ateneo Volleyball Team talagang nag-enjoy sila sa kada laban na meron sila. And they're really happy na kahit meron man silang tatlong talo na ngayon, nag-e-enjoy pa rin sa kanilang laban. Then, of course, andyan yung kanilang mga taga-suporta na lagi nilang kasama dito sa loob.
Talagang napakaganda ng support system nitong dalawang kupunan. Sa ARIBA IRIGA, may dumadayo pa talagang mga viewers para masaksihan dito yung performance ng kanila team, as well as the cavalry on the side of Ateneo. Always present, always there to support the Ateneo Volleyball Team. Talagang ito yung isa sa mga confidence booster for this both teams. So thank you so much po sa inyong suporta, and we have a deadlock at makakakuha dito ng isang puntos na advantage. Itong ating Ateneo Volleyball Team courtesy of jersey number 8, their setter, Sabater.
Now, a good start for Ateneo Volleyball Team. Mukhang kinakapapa ng ARIBA IRIGA because right at this moment, Mape with that attack.
You know what? Yes, Tin. You know what? Mape is the go-to player on the side of ARIBA IRIGA. Iba yung nadadala niya ditong energy sa loob ng court. Whenever Mape is there, talagang itong ARIBA IRIGA, andun yung enjoyment every game. And at the same time, they are working under pressure. And on cue, we have Lim for that powerful quick hit. Look at that. Walang sumabay na blockers. That's why Lim gets that point on their side.
Yes. Of course, Lim, siya yung ating best player of the game. Doon sa laban nila against CF Tigers, isa sa mga consistent na player ng ARIBA IRIGA. So right now, let's see. Salopaso now. Hindi tumingin doon sa Salopaso. Ateneo to attack. Denied on that one. Dumaya, sets it up.
Donovan. Boy pa rin ang bola. Back set to jersey number 4. And wow, what a smart move coming from Dumaya. An early point for a setter para dito sa ating ARIBA IRIGA.
Now, that's a 2-point lead of ARIBA IRIGA. So let's see kung ano pa yung gagawin nila dito sa ating set number 1. And aside from attacks, defense of ARIBA IRIGA, isa din sa hinihintay natin yung kanilang mga swag dito.
Yes.
So let's see kung sa kalagitnaan ba ng ating laro dito, makikita natin yung swag ng mga players ng ARIBA IRIGA. Pero Mape with that service error, so a bonus point here for Ateneo Volleyball Team. Now jersey number 9, Sain serving.
So both teams are doing a good job dito sa early part ng ating set number 1. Wow! Look at that. Lim delivering a point on their side. You know what, this middle blockers on the side of ARIBA IRIGA, talagang whenever na masasetan sila, pinapatay talaga nila ang bola. Lim and Rehis, these two great middle blockers on the side of ARIBA IRIGA, talagang kitang-kita, very evident on how they play and perform on their team.
Now let's see here, tapik para dito sa ARIBA IRIGA. Now Gunowan to attack. Pero medyo napalakas dyan. Now, Ateneo. Isang puntos na lamang hinahabol nila dito. Now, this is a good start for both teams. Now, Dumaya sets it up. Gunowan.
Bumawi din itong si Gunowan after that attack error. And this time, using his strength. Look at that instant replay. Salopaso serves that one. Sabater. To jersey number 15, Gabrito, asking for a check. Pero it is not given on their side. So, point goes on the side of the IRIGA.
Salopaso. Jersey number 10. Pero hindi na nagawa ng paraan dito ng Ateneo volleyball team. Medyo lumalayo na dito yung puntos ng IRIGA. 8-4.
And that point a while ago is from Rehis. Rejection at the net. Sabater, back set to Baluyot. Great up. And Mape, wow. The power on that spike coming from Mape. And an early timeout was called on the side of Ateneo volleyball team because IRIGA is up by 5 points. So let's see after this timeout. And on your screen is our game highlights for this first set.
Yes, and of course, kung kanina, sobrang lapit lang ng puntos ng IRIGA and Ateneo volleyball team. Pero ngayon, nakahanap ng butas itong IRIGA para tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Kaya napatawag nga ng timeout dyan sa side ng Ateneo by Coach Julio. So let's see here after this timeout. Kung ano kaya ang gagawin ng Ateneo volleyball team to lessen that gap. Medyo maaga pa para dito sa ating set number 1. Let's see. Free ball ibibigay dito ng Ateneo. Dumaya. Running attack coming from Regis, and that's a point. Ito yung sinasabi natin na yung connection ng mga players ng IRIGA, lahat nabibigyan ng magandang set coming from Dumaya here of IRIGA. Now let's see if this will continue. Salopaso.
Ball is still alive though. Chance on the side of Ateneo here. Baluyot using his left hand. Ball is still alive. Gonowan is rejected at the net. So great side out para dito sa Ateneo volleyball team. Look at that instant replay.
Now Ateneo. An opportunity for them. Dumaya. Torres once again. Another point conversion coming from Regis. No, a good performance coming from the players of IRIGA here for our set number 1. 10-5. Gabrito. Free ball bibigay dito ng Ateneo. Dumaya once again. Mapi naman ngayon. Every attackers of IRIGA na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, they will always get a point here. Now that's a big 7-point lead of IRIGA for our set number 1. Gonowan. Gabrito, denied. Once again. Pero sa likod muna.
Unsuccessful. And now Regis finding that opening on the side of Ateneo. So a couple of points para dito kay Regis on the side of IRIGA. 13-5. What a great lead para dito sa IRIGA.
No,
They are showing that sila talaga dito yung number 1 sa ating liga.
Ooh. Combination play coming from the side of IRIGA.
Wow. Some game highlight for Mape. Look at that power. Again and again.
Gabrito. Gabrito against Dumaya. And look at that attitude of Gabrito. That's a good point coming from Ateneo. Of course. Gabito on the side. Pero, a service error coming from Gonzaga. 15-6. 10 puntos na lamang para sa ARIBA-IRIGA to get the set number 1.
Batsain getting a point on that last sequence.
Now Gabrito serving. One, two play. Effective para dito kay Dumaya.
So I think Dumaya has a 2 points already, and as a setter, it is a good point for him. And now, substitution on the side of IRIGA. Dio checks in.
Now let's see kung anong contribution dito ni Dio. An exchange of Ganoon. Strong attack but denied by the monster blockers of ARIBA-IRIGA. With that height advantage of Lim and Salupaso.
And again, Lim still solid.
That's an ace coming from Dumaya. Soft lang yung kanyang service doon. Nakakuha pa ng puntos dito sa setter ng ARIBA-IRIGA. Again, Dumaya. (18-7) on our scoreboard. Malaki-laki yung ginawang kalamangan dito ng ARIBA-IRIGA. Of course, pinaghalong connection ng mga players dito sa side ng ARIBA-IRIGA, from the attackers to defense and even the setter Dumaya. That violation for Ateneo. Very crucial error for them. Lalo na ngayon na lumalaki pa yung kalamangan ng ARIBA-IRIGA. Once again, Dumaya. Very soft lang yung kanyang service dito. Strong attack coming from Ateneo.
Great dig coming from Silva. Both teams are showing great when it comes to their defense. But Lim, grabe naman ang ipinapakita dito sa atin. Itong si Lim on the
Now, 5 puntos na lamang para sa ARIBA-IRIGA. And they will get the set number 1. Now, Ateneo. Dumaya sets it up. Salupaso denied, pero lumabas yung bola dito. And that will be a point for ARIBA-IRIGA. Mape.
great dig coming from Mape. Sabater backs it to Baluyot and rejected at the net. So IRIGA, wow, what a great first set for them. 22-8 is our score. 3 more points on bagging this first set win against the Ateneo volleyball team.
Pero Ateneo, ano kayong gagawin dito? Chachak! That's good para dito kay Baluyot. But still, mahaba-haba pa po yung hahabulin dito ng Ateneo volleyball team. Look at that last point coming from Baluyot dito sa side ng Ateneo. Now, Sain to serve. 2 more points or 3 more points for ARIBA-IRIGA. Medyo nagkagulo doon sa side ng Arriba Iriga.
But wow, what an adjustment on the side of their team. Look at that, coming from a scrambled play. But kitang-kita the smart move coming from their team. 2 more points to win the set number 1.
Now let's see if they can end it now. Ateneo, Baluyot, almost loses it. Mape. Another chance for Ateneo.
But an attack error din para sa kanilang kupunan. So this is heartbreaking on their side because they're behind by a couple of points. So no room for error. Outside ngayon yung serve. So a lucky break para sa kanilang kupunan.
Now let's see here. Set point na po ang Arriba Iriga. Tingnan natin kung makukuha na nga ba nila ang set number 1. That's a strong attack and they end it 25-10. That's a big gap coming from the side of Arriba Iriga. And right now, let's see kung anong mga bang ipapakita nila dito sa ating set number 2 at ano nga ba ang maging adjustment on the side of Ateneo volleyball team with this game. Abangan po natin yan para sa ating set number 2 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Bahaw Volleyball Club, OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bitbit.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Cancer Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada. Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power sa Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And we are back for our set number 2 of this matchup of Arriba Iriga and Ateneo Volleyball Team. Doon po sa ating set number 1, nakuha nga po ng Arriba Iriga yung set na yun with 25-10 at napakagandang performance coming from their team, from the attacks to defense and the communication inside the court of these players. Well, on the other side, Ateneo Volleyball Team, ano kaya yung gagawin nila ditong adjustment dahil nakita na nga natin yung ating set number 1, but still, let's see if there will be changes on the side of Coach Julius or Coach Arnel will continue this kind of game on the side of Arriba Iriga. Now, as the set number 2 starts, let's see, with that running attack coming from Reyes. Nakita nga natin doon sa ating set number 1, Reyes, one of the players of Arriba Iriga na nag-contribute dito ng score sa kanilang kupunan. Now, a good start for Arriba Iriga. Manazarte checks in para dito sa Arriba Iriga. Pero nagkaroon ng miscommunication on the side of Ateneo volleyball team now. That's his straight points coming from Arriba Iriga.
So, great start on the side of their team. And on the side of Ateneo, they need to step up big time. Medyo tahimik ngayon si Cabral, their go-to player on the side of Ateneo. They need to maximize Cabral for them to be able to catch the lead na hawak ng Iriga and Baluyot. What a great swing for him.
Well, Baluyot on the side of Ateneo volleyball team isa sa malaki talaga yung contribution sa kanilang kupunan dito. So it's a good thing na nandito siya sa side ng Ateneo volleyball team. So let's see with this first point of Ateneo coming from him. Now, jersey number 9, Sayan to serve. Lizarte sets it up.
Wow. Bolo with that powerful cross-court hit. Napakaganda on the side of their team. And nasa loob na pala dito si Malazarte, their main setter. So expect for more great plays coming from him.
Now let's see here. 1-3. And it's still inside. That's a service ace.
Wow,
Coming
team.
from Arriba Iriga. Now 1-4 on our scoreboard here.
Yes.
Tatlo agad yung tinrabahong kalamangan dito ng Arriba Iriga. But right after that service ace, an error para sa kanilang kupunan.
So again, Iriga showing great volleyball action dito sa ating pangalawang set. Ball still alive. Sabater setting up Luzon. Andoon si Malazarte. Now, boy pa rin ang bola. Pipe attack coming from Cabral. Too strong. So point goes on the side of Arriba Iriga.
Another service ace coming from the side of Arriba Iriga. It's Res with that point. Now Ateneo volleyball team, 3 puntos yung kanilang hinahabol dito. So for our set number 2, ano kayang gagawin dito ng Ateneo volleyball team to adjust and have the set number 2? We have an update and yan po ang ating courtside reporting na si Dylan.
Thank you, Rick. And then sa pagpasok ng first set, the team started with their game plan and the Golden Knights are motivated to make a powerful action. The team are really doing their best to get points and make a good impression for this matchup. Payo ni coach sa team to strengthen their defense for them to continue getting points. Even though the team are committing errors, they still try to cope with it and make a way and bounce back. However, due to a lot of committed errors ng team Golden Knights, the team fell short in the first set. But the team are still positive na kayang-kaya pang bumawi for this matchup. Yan muna ang updates dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, a lot of errors, a lot of miscommunication happened on the side of Ateneo on that previous set. So let's see if this set will be better on their side. But as you can see on our scoreboard, Arriba Iriga still dominating this volleyball action. And an error again committed para dito sa ating Ateneo volleyball team. This is heartbreaking on their side because they need to lessen their error if they want to stay alive in this match. And now Arriba Iriga talagang umaariba. Malazarte back set to jersey number 1 his teammate. And to know more about the Arriba Iriga, let's call our courtside reporter Eliza. Hi Eliza, kumusta? Anong update on the side of Iriga?
Medyo naging mabilis ang takbo takbo ng laban ngayon. The team seems to be in a good mood as of this moment. If you guys could still remember, last week's game of IRIGA was so powerful, and makikita pa rin po natin ngayon na nandun pa rin ang puso nila sa laban. Volleyball fans here are praying na sana po ay hindi maging complacent ang team and always give their 100% for the podium finish. Sabay-sabay po nating panoorin kung makukuha ba agad ng IRIGA ang panalo kontra Golden Knights. Yan munang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Team and Rick.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Andun pa rin yung puso. Ito yung highlight dito sa side ng IRIGA. Yung puso nila sa paglalaro ng volleyball dito. Kitang-kita natin the connection and yung enjoyment dito sa side ng IRIGA. One of their advantage here with this match against Ateneo volleyball team. 10-5 or 11-5 on our scoreboard. That's a big 6-point lead of IRIGA. Now titignan natin as we are just starting this set number 2. Ano pa kaya yung gagawin dito ng Ateneo volleyball team para mabawasan yung kalamangan na ginagawa dito ng IRIGA?
So on the side of IRIGA, we've seen a lot of new faces to give highlight on their benches and their other stringers. At talagang napakaganda din ang ipinapakita natin ng kanilang koponan dito. But on that last sequence, Cabral, smart move using the hands of the blocker to get a point.
Now 11-7, 2 straight points coming from Ateneo volleyball team. Sabater once again to serve. Pero sayang yung mga nagawa nilang unang puntos with that arrow. Ito yung sinasabi kanina ni Dylan dito sa side ng Ateneo volleyball team. They fell short during that set number 1 because of their errors. So for this set number 2 and the next set, they need to lessen that error and focus more on their defense and offense. Now, long rally here. Malazarte.
Miscommunication. Chance on the side of Ateneo in the middle. Sign was rejected. Baluyot will try. Andoon si Dio. And wow. Very smart on that last sequence. Look at that instant replay. The variation on the attack coming from the side of IRIGA, and with that, timeout was called sa side ng Ateneo volleyball team.
7-13 on our scoreboard. A 6-point gap of IRIGA. And still, gusto pa rin humabol ng Ateneo volleyball team. And here are some of the game highlights dito sa ating set number 2. Talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita dito ng IRIGA. Consistent since set number 1. And as for Ateneo volleyball team, they need to double their effort now if they really want to snatch a 1 set here against IRIGA. Now let's see here, after this timeout of Coach Julius, if there will be changes here on the game plan of Ateneo volleyball team, or this set number 2 will still be on the side of IRIGA. Malazarte. Now Sabater sets it up.
And Baluyot successful on that down the line hit. So far, Baluyot is the one who is carrying the Ateneo volleyball team. So he needs some backup para talagang makuha nila ang sunod-sunod na puntos para dito sa ating pangalawang set.
Very consistent on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Now let's see here, Sain. 8-13. Still naghahabol dito ang Ateneo for our set number 2.
Pero strong pin.
After score, after point, another error. Ito yung gustong-gustong bawasan dito ni Coach Julius sa side ng Ateneo.
Yes.
They're giving free points sa side ng IRIGA with these errors. Strong attack here. Coming from jersey number 7. Cabral. Look at that once again on that instant replay.
So far, that's the cleanest hit coming from Cabral, and we need more of that on the side of Ateneo if they want to stay alive here. Malazarte, but a net violation was called on their side, so back-to-back points coming from the side of Ateneo.
Yes. Well, on the side of Ateneo volleyball team, they have players like Cabral, like Baluyot. They can really execute well a good attack here. So they just need to be consistent here.
What a great dig coming from Cabral. Luzon will try. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Great chase coming from the side of IRIGA. Sabater, back set to Baluyot, and Baluyot delivering a point. Wow. Baluyot and Cabral doing the job on the side of their team. So this time, better setup, better first ball, and better defense on the side of their team. So nakikita natin dito yung slowly but surely great moves inside the court para sa Ateneo. And look at that score. They are 2 points away on tying this match. Wow.
It's good to see having this kind of game plan on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Kasi kung kanina si Coach Julius yung napatawag ng timeout, ngayon naman Coach Arnel nakita yung puntos dahil 2 puntos na lamang po ang hinahabol dito ng Ateneo volleyball team. Napakaganda nung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito. Of course, we have Cabral and Baluyot and the rest of the players of Ateneo volleyball team giving us a good set number 2 here.
Yan yung hinihintay dito ng mga Ateneo fans. Yung magandang connection and chemistry inside the court for them to be able to get their momentum, their confidence and morale para kaharapin itong mighty Arriba IRIGA.
But again, consistency is the key here.
Yes.
Kasi kung ganito yung laro nila for this set number 2, they need to be consistent on the next set if they really want to win this game against the number 1 Arriba IRIGA.
Sabater to Luzon, soft touch. Buhay pa rin ang bola, but again, Gonzaga guarding that one, so it means a couple of runs para dito sa side ng Ateneo. And with that, napatawag or nagkaroon ng substitution ng side ng Arriba IRIGA. Gonowon checks in.
Now scoring still continues on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Let's see here with Gonowon inside. Ooh, an attack pero medyo napalakas doon sa block nitong side ng Ateneo volleyball team. Arriba IRIGA once again cutting that momentum of Ateneo volleyball team. Almost loses it.
Chance on the side of IRIGA. And pag binigyan mo talaga ito ng chance, talagang papatayin ito on the side of their team. So, hindi mo kailangang magbigay ng chance ball sa Arriba IRIGA if you want to extend this match. Yun yung dapat iwasan team ng Ateneo volleyball team dito.
IRIGA getting back on their game here. Jersey number 22 here. 16-13.
But this time, better execution coming from Luzon. So, great stop on the side of Ateneo.
Now Baluyot to serve here for the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Still, 2-point lead of Arriba IRIGA. Let's see if they can get this to 1-point lead. Ooh, look at that! Having Luzon and Gonzaga to guard that ball. It's successful. Now, tingnan mo nga naman si Coach Arnel on the side of Arriba IRIGA. Binabalik niya yung kanyang first lineup dito with this kind of performance coming from the side of Ateneo volleyball team. 15-16. Just a 1-point lead here. Let's see.
Ball is still alive. Luzon will try. And too much angle on that attack. So, puntos para sa Arriba IRIGA.
Now, let's see if consistency will be on the side of Ateneo volleyball team with this game. 15-17. A good set number 2 ang pinapanood po natin ngayon. Kaya para sa ating mga fans pong nanonood sa Facebook page ng Oragon Volleyball League and Oragon Sports TV, just comment down below dahil shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lang. But an attack error on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team, making it a 3-point lead. Nako, mukhang bumibitaw na muli itong Ateneo Volleyball Team. They just need to hold on for the set number 2 dahil napakaganda nung ginawa nila kani-kanina lang. Salapaso with that serve.
Wow, 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒖𝒓𝒅𝒂𝒚 with that powerful pipe attack. So, again, ito na naman yung IRIGA with that momentum. They need to stop it on the side of Ateneo if they want to prolong this match. But a net violation on the side of IRIGA. So another opportunity para sa Ateneo Volleyball Team. Gonzaga to serve.
Now let's see here, 16-19 on our scoreboard. Pero a very crucial error coming from Gonzaga here. They really need to lessen that errors. A lost opportunity on their side. Now Sabater to Luzon, denied. 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒖𝒓𝒅𝒂𝒚 once again, this time with that strong attack. Bibigyan na yung point sa side ng Ateneo Volleyball Team. Still a 3-point lead here, 2017. Now Luzon to serve. 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒖𝒓𝒅𝒂𝒚 once again. Yung pagbabalik dito ni 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒖𝒓𝒅𝒂𝒚 sa side ng IRIGA, very effective on the side of Coach Ornel. They cut that momentum on the side of Ateneo. But of course, with these errors, ito pa rin yung nagiging problema dito ng mga kupunan natin. Now Sabater serving. 18-21, 4 na puntos na lamang para dito sa IRIGA.
Cabral will try soft touch. Ball is still alive. And Galang with that attack error.
Still buhay pa po ang
Yes.
laban para dito sa Ateneo Volleyball Team.
It's not yet over
Oo.
until we hit that 25 points.
No room for complacency here for either IRIGA or Ateneo Volleyball Team. Now Sabater.
Wow, great defense. Now chance for the IRIGA here. Sabater setting up Cabral and andoon si Salapaso for the coverage. 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒖𝒓𝒅𝒂𝒚 again making an impact para dito sa kanilang kupunan.
But still a good defense coming here from the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team.
Malazarte now preparing to serve on the side of IRIGA. Wow, napakaganda ng depensa nitong IRIGA. But sa Lupaso, an attack error for them.
Now a substitution here. on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Pumasok na dito itong si Sarcilia. Now he's ready to serve here. And of course, there's also a substitution here. Lazorte. Papalitan mo dito ni Dumaya. Now Sarcilia to serve. 20-22. Pero error agad para dito sa bench player ng Ateneo volleyball team. Medyo malamig pa.
Yes.
With that score, only 2 points for IRIGA sa 2 sa kanila muli. But let's see Baluyot. Now sets it up. Salopaso with that strong attack, pero lumabas with that very strong.
Salopaso is still targeting that corner, but again, too strong on his attack. So error on their side. Ateneo has the chance here.
Now 21-23 Cabral. Salopaso. Babawi para dito sa IRIGA. Another set point para sa kanilang kupunan dito. Just 1 point and they will have 2 set ahead of Ateneo volleyball team. Luzon soft touch here. But an error dito sa kanilang setter side ng IRIGA. 22-24.
Wow. One match point, set point save rather, on the side of Ateneo.
Let's see here.
Baluyot to serve.
There will be extension of our set number 2.
Silva with that first ball. Mape with that swipe. Buhay pa rin ang bola, but IRIGA has the chance to attack and close this one. Great defense. Baluyot, pipe attack. Andoon si Silva. Salopaso, soft touch. And someone touched the net. And that's the end of our second set. What a game para dito sa side ng IRIGA. 2-0. We'll be right back for our third set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Maggaraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, IRIGA, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel. Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Cancer Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Cancer Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, dito from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF was the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
And we are back for our third set of this matchup between the Ateneo Volleyball Team and IRIGA. Dalawang set na po para dito sa side ng IRIGA at isa na lamang to get their fifth win. Yes, their fifth win of this IRIGA. But let's see, dahil merong laban itong Ateneo Volleyball Team, they just need consistency on their side. Pero unang puntos will be on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team with that error coming from Manazarte. Now during that second set, a good momentum on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team, but still IRIGA stopped that one. But right now on our set number 3, it's a good start for the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team because of this errors committed on the side of IRIGA. 2-0 on our scoreboard here. Now what will IRIGA do to lessen that errors for this set number 3? Now Ateneo Volleyball Team, 3 straight point coming from Ateneo. I think that's the biggest gap they have with this game against IRIGA. The momentum is on their side. They just need more points here and a good connection with their players. Salapaso to attack, denied at the net. Now Gunawan. Bibigay dito kay Baluyot. One more time for Cabral naman this time. Wow, Ateneo Volleyball Team making a good set number 3 here. Mukhang papahirapan muna yung IRIGA before they get that win. Pero titignan natin kung ano nga ba dito yung magiging changes on the side of IRIGA with this point on our set number 3. Let's hear it from Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong update natin dyan?
That's it for the second set of this game. A consistent performance from IRIGA. Nakuha po ulit na lang panalo sa set na ito. Ang Coach Arnel seems to lose his temper. Every time the team commits errors, nakilala po natin si Coach Arnel na may strong personality talaga. At kanina nga, pinunahan niya ang sunod-sunod na errors ng team. Ayon pa sa kanya, isa pang errors, papalabasin ko na kayo dyan. Keeps on reminding the players to take care of their scores. Don't be complacent. Huwag hahayaang makalapit ang puntos ng kalaban. Let's see what will happen for this third set. For now, back to you, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Eliza. Now they just need consistency on the side of IRIGA. No room for complacency, of course, even though they have 2 set against Ateneo Volleyball Team. Because looking at our set number 3, it is 6-1. That's a big 5-point lead coming from the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team. What was Coach Julius thinking at this moment? Of course, the team having that good momentum during that set number 2. Naidala nila dito sa ating set number 3. So let's see if they will be consistent here and if they will get a set number here against the IRIGA. And now, to hear an update from the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team with this kind of performance, let's hear it from Dylan.
Thank you, Rick and Tin. Team connection ang pinairal ng Golden Knights sa pagpasok ng second set. Eager to bounce back and make Ateneo community proud. The team also performed strategically according to their game plan. Coach reminded the team to focus and be loud and proud as they can for them to feel the momentum. Golden Knights struggles in maintaining their energy while playing inside the hardcourt na nagkakos ng points ng kabilang koponan. Still, the team of Golden Knights tries to continue despite of all errors on their side. The Golden Knights once again fell short in the second set. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Ayun nga dito sa side naman ng Ateneo Volleyball League. They have really an opportunity here to have a set here. They just need to be consistent. Because looking at our score here, 7-3. Umabol agad itong IRIGA. So right now, kailangan ng Ateneo Volleyball Team is to really focus on their game plan here. Have the go-to players there like Cabral, Luzon, and the rest of the players of Ateneo to have a good chance here, to have a good attack. Because looking at that one, Baluyot once again serving a good performance from Ateneo volleyball team. What a good set number 3 for the Ateneo here. They just need to be consistent. Now, 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚, ano nga bang pambawi dito with that kind of attack coming from 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒚. We'll miss that one. Dahil dun nga sa ating set number 2, medyo hindi natin naramdaman dito si 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒚. But right now, the original or the first lineup of 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚 is here to end it. But look at our score. Looks like it will be hard for 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚. But here we go again with the errors of Ateneo. It's making hard for them to be consistent here as they still continue giving out points. Now, free ball ibibigay dito ng Ateneo. But they lost it. 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚. Still, the momentum is on the side of Ateneo volleyball team. Baluyot now to serve. Dumaya sets it up for Res. This soft touch, but still, hindi nakuha dito ng Ateneo. The map is serving. Gabrito. Now Salapaso with that attack.
Sabater setting up Cabral straight to the net. So with that, we are all tied up at 9. So nawala yung hinahawakang kalamangan on the side of Ateneo because of that errors.
Another point conversion on the side of Ateneo. Change of momentum here. 1 point lead of 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚. Good double to attack. No. Well, 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚 end it for the set number 3. But let's see here. Sunod-sunod na po yung pagpuntos dito ng 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚. Talagang if 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚 mabibigyan ng chance dito, naging sunod-sunod na yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Let's see if there will be changes here. Salopaso. Free ball ibibigay dito ng Ateneo. Dumaya. To Lim, and that's good. 𝒉𝒂𝒂𝒅𝒂𝒚, 3 points coming from their team here. And Ateneo volleyball team, yung kanilang pinakita na doon sa mga unang points dito sa ating set number 3. Hindi natin muling nakikita dito as we continue the set number 3. So a timeout was called dito sa kanilang side. Coach Julius, what will be his changes here?
And ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo din sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Samantha Nicole Hagokoy, Bench Selanreb, Jason San Juan, Aleja Andales, Kevin Arab, kay Melnan Robles Moralio Azanza. Thank you so much and happy watching po. And of course, sa ating viewers sa ating YouTube, Thank you po sa panunood ng matchup nitong Ateneo Volleyball Team versus the Arriba IRIGA. Too strong on that service. So point go on the side of Ateneo. Luzon to serve. Dumaya. Combination play and Gonowon successful in that one.
Now, Arriba IRIGA is up by 3 here for our set number 3. And they still continue getting a point here. Now let's see if this will be an easy set number 3 for Arriba IRIGA. Dumaya with that soft serve. Cabral was denied with that cluster blockers from the side of Arriba. Of course, there's Lim and Salopaso. Consistent with their attacks and defense here for Arriba IRIGA.
Dumaya again on deck to serve. Another short service, but medyo short nga yung ginawa dito ni Dumaya. So free point goes on the side of Ateneo. Now Sabater on the other hand serving that ball. Mape receives that one. Dumaya and Salopaso in the middle. Wow, great attack coming from him. Look at that elevation and the power. Now gonna want to serve. Great serve. Sabater to Baluyot. Andoon si Silva for the coverage. Now Mape will attack and denied at the net. So great point conversion para dito sa side ng Ateneo.
We need more of that defense of Ateneo. Most especially right now, set number 3 is on the side of Arriba IRIGA. Pero a very crucial error para dito sa Ateneo.
You know what, Tinang, napapansin ko dito sa side ng Ateneo, whenever nagkakaroon sila ng momentum and at the same time those run, binabawi ito ng kanilang mga errors. That's why nahihirapan silang bumangon ulit at makakuha ng magandang puntos para masabayan ang ipinapakita dito ng Arriba IRIGA.
Yes, so they need to lessen that errors. Of course, with this kind of set na sila yung naghahabol dito sa Arriba IRIGA.
And and mind you guys that one set away na lamang itong ating Arriba IRIGA to get their 5th win, and I'm sure Reyes is excited para manalo dito sa araw na ito.
Of course, very consistent players from set number 1 eh. For set number 2, hindi natin siya masyadong napanood dito because the second lineup of Arriba IRIGA, yun yung nasa loob dito. But for set number 3, talagang itong mga players ng Arriba IRIGA ay nagpapakitang kilos dito. But on that last sequence, natawa pa dito sa side ng Arriba IRIGA. That's a point of Ateneo Volleyball Team, but they're just enjoying. This is a good thing dito sa side ng Arriba IRIGA. They're just enjoying, and every error na nagagawa nila, binabawi naman nila ng kanilang mga attacker. Look at that attack of Mape. Free ball bibigay dito ng Ateneo. Dumaya, sets it up. Mape once again.
Wow. Just wow. Let's take a look one more time on that attack coming from Mape. Grabe. Tusok na tusok yung attacking yun coming from him. And we cannot deny the fact na isa talaga siya sa inaasahan dito on the side of Arriba IRIGA na mag-deliver ng magandang performance. And wow! Speaking of consistency, Reyes is very consistent on guarding those net para dito. That net rather, para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Nabanggit mo nga dito kanina, Tina. Simula sa ating first set up until this third set, Reyes is one of the consistent player on the side of Arriba IRIGA. Talagang umaariba dito ang kanilang kupunan.
And right now, they're just 5 points away on getting that another win. So let's see.
And a side out for the Ateneo volleyball team. (20-17) is our score.
Now, 3 puntos ang kailangang habulin dito ng Ateneo. Gunoan, soft touch. Now, Sabater. Tubaluyot. Dumaya. Rest naman ngayon. Check ball para dyan.
Yes. Another point from him. Getting a check. And a substitution. Periabras. Papalatan dito si Regis.
So now Rez will rest muna for the set number 3, but still a good performance yung ibinigay niya dito sa Ateneo or sa IRIGA. Periabras with that serve. And they didn't get it inside ng IRIGA. They're just laughing it off.
Because of that miscommunication and Mape saying sorry. Because nag-approach siya and hindi na-anticipate na merong tao sa likod. So miscommunication. Gunoan and Dumaya with that 1-2 play. Look at that. The enjoyment inside the IRIGA side, talagang kitang-kita natin dito. Sino hindi matutuwa because they are 3 points away on bagging their 5th win para dito sa ating liga and still the top 1 on our standing. Talagang dapat i-enjoy dito ng IRIGA ang kanilang standing. Sa Lupaso, good defense here on the side of Ateneo and Cabral getting a point on the down the line hit.
(22-19). Ang hahabulin pa ng Ateneo volleyball team dito. Now Dumaya sets it up to Gunoan.
Great pickup. Cabral will try. Andoon si Silva for the coverage. Lim unsuccessful in that attempt. Baluyot was dug up. Mape doing the setting here. Andoon si Mape for the coverage. Salupaso catches the end line. Wow. At Ateneo and IRIGA on that last sequence. Pinakitaan tayo ng magandang rally, but still IRIGA getting a point after that long rally.
And they're just 2 points away on getting the set and win this game. But look at that, mukhang hindi pa hayaan muna ng Ateneo volleyball team. As Cabral gets that point, 20-23. Still a good choice or good opportunity for Ateneo here. 23-20. Let's see if mahahabol pa kaya nila yung 3 puntos sa kalamangan ng IRIGA. Dumaya to Mape with that powerful attack.
What a great combination play coming from Dumaya and Mape delivering that one. Wow, the connection though. And with that attack and point coming from Mape, nasa match point na dito ang IRIGA.
Tatapusin na kaya nila dito or there still be an extension here. Let's see. Ateneo. Baluyo to attack. Denied. One more time for Ateneo.
Cabral finding the donut hole. Dumaya couldn't handle that ball. So, 1 match point save para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights as Cabral will do the service here.
24-21.
Dumaya. Combination play and Salupaso with that great hit. And winning this match in just a 3 sets. Congratulations on the side of ARIBA IRIGA, 5-0. And still number 1 on our standing. And congratulations also on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team for giving us a good fight. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Magharaw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, TGC Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, ARIBA IRIGA, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baao Volleyball Club, OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi namin bitbit.
Seeing clearly shouldn't mean traveling far from home. At Cancer Eye Center, world-class care is right here in the heart of Rinconada and the Bicol region. With advanced diagnostic tools, ophthalmology specialists, and a team that treats you like family, we bring expert eye care. From children's screenings to managing cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic eye conditions without the need for long trips. Because your vision matters, and so does your time. Cancer Eye Center, world-class eye care just around the corner.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit? Dito, from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF is the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Tiger today.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
The future's in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand. Hashtag market your future.
It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League present OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1 volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and on GNN TV 48 Naga YouTube channel.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. talo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Safe Gasoline Station. And mga kaibigan, kasama na nga po natin the best player of the game na nakakuha ng 11 points, 8 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, and 1 excellent lead. No other than jersey number 10, Mr. Ivan Reyes. Hello po, kumusta po kayo? And ano feeling na consistent, wala pang talo ang team nyo ngayon?
Ngayon, masaya po yung na-feel ko ngayon kasi 5-0 na po kami and looking forward po sa mas beat namin po yung elimination yan.
Speaking of looking forward, a lot of valuable fans are rooting for Arriba Iriga na sana raw ay tuloy-tuloy ng panalo ninyo hanggang final. So the question is, gusto kong malaman sa iyo mismo as the best player of the game. Sa tingin mo ba, possible ba itong mangyari and how confident are you 10 out of 10?
Confident naman po ako 10 out of 10 na makakaabot kami ng finals kasi lagi po kami training everyday po. Nag-training po kami and yung program na binibigay po ng coach namin is ginagawa po namin 100% po para ma-apply po namin siya sa in-game po.
Mr. Reyes, baka po may mensahe kayo sa Ateneo Golden Heights. Please go ahead.
Yun, nice game and sana hindi sila mawalan ng eagerness na mag-push pa sa liga kasi hindi pa naman tapos yung liga and ayun lang.
As the best player of the game, you got the chance. Batiin mo naman ang lahat ng sumusuporta sa Arriba Iriga. Please go ahead.
Hello po kay Mayor Rex and sa family ko po sa Pasay, sa Marinduque and sa family ko po sa Avila family sa Catanduanes po. Yun lang po.
Once again, Mr. Ivan Reyes, jersey number 10, congratulations and congratulations, Arriba Iriga. See you next week. This is Mary Bless Eliza Belen ang mag-aatid sa inyo ng siksik-lik-lik, walang labis, walang kulang na mga balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Congratulations to our winner, the Arriba Iriga, and to our best player of the game, Ivan Reyes. Wow, what a great performance para din sa Arriba Iriga. Talagang hindi nila dito binibigo yung suporta galing sa kanilang municipality. Thank you so much for giving us a good fight. And of course, on the side of Ateneo Volleyball Team, napakaganda ng inalaro. And tama nga yung sabi ni Reyes, huwag silang mawalan dito ng kumpiyansa sa sarili because hindi pa tapos ang laban para sa kanilang kupunan. Again, your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And of course, mamaya po after this good game, mapapanood naman po natin ang Bagraw Power Spikers versus UNC Greyhounds. Another matchup to look forward to dahil isang magandang laban po ang kanilang ibibigay sa inyo. Again, I am Cristina Canza Reyes, only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and Oragon Basketball League preset OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Bagraw Power Spikers, Ateneo Golden Knights, AGCB Volleyball Sorsogon, UNC Greyhounds, Arriba Iriga, Tiger Men's Volleyball, PMC Health Defenders, Tuyan Baal Volleyball Club, OVL Open Men's Volleyball League Season 1. Catch all the Oragon volleyball action on GNN Naga Digital TV Channel 48.1 and on Facebook, GNN TV 48 Naga. Oragon